Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
Listen to the command. When I say stand up, you use your legs to go up. When I say sit down, you go down into the chair. It is dark. I want to see. I turn on the light. Now I can see. When I leave the room, I turn off the light. I cannot see my keys. I must look for them in my bag and on the table. Ah, great! I find my keys in my pocket. This math problem is too hard. I will stop trying. I give up. Smoking is a bad habit. It is very good to give up smoking. When someone knocks, you can open the door and say, "Please come in." This invites the person to enter your house or your room. Welcome. Our conversation is finished. I need to leave now. I will say goodbye and go away. I have to go to work. See you later. First, my alarm clock rings and my eyes open. I wake up. Next, I move my body out of the bed. I get up. It's morning. I must look after my little sister. This means I help her, I give her food, and I make sure she is safe and happy. My car stopped. The engine needs gas, but the tank is empty. The car did run out of gas. I need to go get more. I am at the bus stop. My bus arrives at 8 o'clock. It is 7:55 now. I must wait for the bus for 5 minutes. To talk about the past, we can use the simple past tense. For example, I visited my family last weekend. What did you do yesterday? To ask about life experiences, we use the present perfect. Have you ever traveled by train? Yes, I have. Or, no, I have never traveled by train. For advice in an imaginary situation, we say, if I were you, I would. If I were you, I would take that good job. To talk about now, we use the present continuous. What is the chef doing? The chef is cooking a delicious meal right now. For a future plan with a condition, we use if. If it is sunny tomorrow, we will go for a hike in the mountains. To compare two things, we can use more. For me, this book is more interesting than the movie. Which one do you like? We use used to for something that was true in the past but is not true now. I used to live in a small place. When the action is more important than who does it, we use the passive voice. First, the ingredients are mixed together to make the cake. We use be going to talk about our future plans. What are we doing on Saturday? We are going to have a fun party. To give good advice, we use the word should. You look very stressed. You should sit down and relax for some time.